Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to replant with you this adenium, this beautiful adenium. Now it's not looking good, as you see. I need to replant this plant in springtime, but I didn't have time that time, and as you see now it's autumn. And before taking this plant inside the house, I want to replant it. I want to keep it under the growing light until it grow new leaves. That way I can help this plant. For that I prepared my ingredients here on the table. I have here 1 part of coco coir. See, here I have 2 different kinds. This is for orchids. It's written for orchids here, see, but the picture is damaged here. I cannot show which kind of coco coir is that. I got it from Florida, and this kind of coco coir you can find from Walmart, from Menards. In any store you can find this. It's available in any stores, but this one is, I found it from Florida. It's different than this one. This is more brown and more softer. It's close to cocoa peat. See, peat moss, not cocoa peat. It's close to peat moss, this one, but this one it has more fiber. See, cocoa fiber, and it's a little bit different. And today I want to use this one for my adenium plant. And here I have something which might be new for you. You cannot find this from the stores. It's something homemade. I will show you what I made. Here I have pine bark mulch, and what I do, I put this mulch in the strainer, and I separate small pieces and big pieces. Big pieces I use for my orchids. I take them and I save them, and anytime when I replant my orchids I use this pine bark mulch. And the small pieces I don't throw away, and I put in this bag, and see how it looks. This is small pieces of pine bark mulch. See, it never gets compacted, and the plants, they love this. And today I want to use this for my adenium plant. For a long time I was collecting this I wanted to replant my adenium, and I was collecting this mulch for my adenium. See, here I have Epsom salt, as you see on the table. I have Epsom salt, I prepared it. And here I have perlite. See, this is perlite, most of you know. And now 1 part of cocoa peat. Here I prepared some soil, and I want to add here my cocoa peat. And see, here I have peat moss. Today I want to use peat moss for replanting this plant. And here my peat moss, 2 part of peat moss I'm adding. And 2 part of pine bark mulch, small pieces. Now it's small, it's okay, but we will mix it. And here I have perlite. I will take some perlite. I'm gonna put it in a cup. I have here a cup. Okay, in a small bowl I'm gonna put some perlite, and we will see. We can add perlite. It's not gonna harm. It helps plants to breathe. It makes good aeration in the pot. And I will add when I start mixing. Let's take this adenium out and we'll see what's going on there with the roots. I'm adding my perlite and mixing it, and we will see what kind of soil I would have. I need some fluffy soil, which which is not thick and heavy. I need something light for Adenium plant, and I can even add some big pieces of pine bark mulch, and we'll see. Bark is under here. I like this, how this soil look like. See? Now my soil is ready. You see how it's fluffy? See? It has everything inside. And now I need to take out my Adenium plant and see the roots. I will press it a little bit and take out this plant out of this nursery pot. I bought this plant 3 years ago and never replanted this plant. I don't know how the roots growing here. I see that roots are healthy. See, they're white and good, they are not decayed, and I wanna take slowly. See the roots, I like how the roots look like. They're healthy, and I can even use this old medium for itself, because plants, they love when we leave something from the old medium. See how the roots look like. They're healthy, strong. Yeah, see, it's still good. I was worrying that I can have root rot, but I didn't have any root rot. See, it's looking great, the roots. See, beautiful roots. And I am not washing as other people do and not drying out the roots. I just replant it in this pot. I chose 2 pots for this. I prepared 2 pots, but I didn't know how big the roots are. And let's place these roots in this pot and see if it fits in this pot. Yeah, it's fitting, but little bit smaller. See, this much high. I wanna leave this part, this much part, the roots on top of the soil, because that way I make that plumeria fat. But this pot is small and I want to use the other pot. This pot I want to use now, and let's take some soil. And place my Adenium here. Yeah, I like this pot. See? I'm not cutting any root. I'm just placing my Adenium here in the center, and let's mix this old soil little bit I am putting it here, and new soil which I prepare, and shake a little bit. I'm not damaging any roots, not cutting anything. See? And I lift it up a little bit and place in a center, like so. See? And I put some from the old soil here. And mix it. My mom, she does this kind of thing. She doesn't take the whole soil, she doesn't change the whole, and she mix with old soil little bit, because plants, they will think that they are still in their own home. They will not get shocked. And that's it. Let's water. Now I take some Epsom salt, little bit Epsom salt I want to add, and then water my adenium. It's 1 tablespoon Epsom salt. See, I add Epsom salt and I mix with the soil. Plants love Epsom salt. I use Epsom salt for how many years for my plants. I use for my tomatoes, for my cucumbers, for any plants, for my orchids, and they love this. And now let's water this plant. I put just a little bit water, not much. I wash this pot and wash the top part of the plant. You see this roots? See how it's looking pretty and nice now? Now these roots have room and they know where to grow. In that tiny pot they were not comfortable. See these white roots? I want to rinse it like this. I want to open these roots, and now with the shower I wash my pot. And the roots, and see how this adenium looks pretty. And next year these roots will turn green. They will look like this, and I will have bigger base. See, it's looking good. I love how it's looking now. Now we replanted with you this adenium, and I showed you how I prepare my homemade medium for my adenium. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please put thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye.